I thought I'd have a look at my stats for the last year since I started the channel, and I wanted to see if the quality of the content had improved at all, based on the early videos versus a more recent one. Anyway, the long and the short of it, I thought it would be a very simple exercise to look into YouTube and see how my videos are doing, and download that into an Excel spreadsheet. Oh, how wrong I was. So I was looking through my old videos and thinking, okay, this is cool. I've got some that have 50 views. Brilliant. And one here with 6,000 for no reason. I don't know why. Anyway, this table here doesn't offer a download. And I thought, oh, that's a bit annoying. So I thought I could just copy and paste it. That'd work, wouldn't it? I could just copy and paste it into Excel, and that will give me a nice table of all my stats. Won't it? A nice table of all my... Oh no, okay. I spent 20 minutes trying to assemble it into something useful, which I eventually did. Basically taking all the formatting off, a few formulas to then try and map everything to the right field. Not everything that comes out the page is populated, so things where videos don't have dislikes or a ratio or comments or whatever, they won't have a consistent number of rows per item, which is even more vexing. So anyway, that was about 20 minutes of data cleansing. And then I decided, well, what the hell, let's just go into Python and let's investigate the YouTube API, which I thought, okay, that should be fairly straightforward. Again, public API. Oh, how wrong I was. So what this is, and I can put this in the comments for anyone else who's interested in Python stuff, because I did have a real challenge trying to find a straight answer. There's about 5 different versions of the YouTube API. Everything I find on Stack Exchange is approximately 6 to 12 years old, or 4 years old for the Python stuff. The documentation for YouTube itself, while comprehensive, isn't exactly friendly to beginners. So anyway, cut to the chase. I wrote a quick script in Python that first finds my channel, pulls all the videos from my channel, or the video IDs, and because you can't just pull a list of videos, you have to pick each one by ID. This first takes all my video IDs into a list and then feeds that back to the YouTube API, and then finally in this part here saves it out to a file, and that's what you get from the YouTube API. So a lot of this is unnecessary. These are all the thumbnails. Don't need that, don't need that. YouTube stores its timestamps as this for some reason, I don't know why. That's the formula to convert this into an actual time code. And then finally I did a quick look at the stats. So based on these numbers, I need to focus more on doing split or broken axis charts, because that's the one that's just gone crazy, well, compared to the other ones. My worst performing one is the one I recently uploaded and probably spent the most time on, with a maximum of 3 views. So I don't know. Well, for anyone starting out, don't get discouraged. Whatever makes you happy, do it for that. Don't do it to get the notoriety or whatever. But it would help if I uploaded videos more than once a week, or more than once a month. I don't even know if does it have that data? I wonder. Oh, there we go. So let's just chart this then. Does that work? Interesting. So I got really busy in August, and then I dropped off till November time. Well, anyway, so that's that, I guess. So I think the moral is upload more frequently, upload more content, and then based on the view count. So I just need to do nothing but videos on broken access charts, and then I'll be flying. Well, anyway, I'll post a Python snippet in the description, so then you can just copy and paste that and use it yourself, because it's probably a lot easier than trying to figure out the API and stuff for yourself. So yeah, there you go. Oh, fun times.